Hi Edward, my name is Drew over here at Subaru of Daytona and Ritchie Autos. I saw you inquired about our beautiful 2018 F-150 and requested a video, so I came out here to show it to you. I'm right here by it right now. I also just wanted to introduce myself, kind of give you a face to put with the voice. But this is an absolute beautiful truck. Here, let me show it to you here. We just got this one in recently. I don't think we've had it for more than maybe about a week. It's gotten a lot of attention, and you can see why. It's absolutely beautiful. It's got really nice painted two-tone aluminum tires, aluminum alloy rims, excuse me. Got the tow package. I know you requested to see the undercarriage. Looks pretty clean. It's definitely in great shape. Alright, so I'm going to send this over to you in an email. It's going to have all my contact information, so please feel free to get in touch with me. Hope to hear from you soon. I'll make you a great deal on this truck. I'll serve you at the highest level, and I'll make you a customer for life. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks.